Hey folks, Mark Scroggins with Scroggins Law Group. Continuing our family law discussions here today. Today we're going to talk about what happens after temporary orders. Now, most of the time what happens is everything kind of calms down a little bit. You get into that discovery phase, and you start going through interrogatories and requests for production of documents and requests for admissions, and maybe there's some depositions, and maybe you're subpoenaing some different stuff. Is that all there is? No, there's not. Do you have a closely held business? If you do, you're likely looking at a business valuation. Do you have community assets that are commingled with separate property assets? Do you have any idea what the hell I'm talking about right now? If you don't, let me tell you real quick. If you had a 401k before you got married, then you got married and you continue to put money in it, you've got commingled assets. You very likely have to bring someone in to be able to trace those assets and figure out what's separate and what's community. Reason that's important is because a court cannot divide separate property. The court can only divide community property. So a lot of the other time, you can be in a situation where there's bad behavior by the other person, okay? The other parent's doing some crazy crap that you can't deal with, that is dangerous to the kids, and you have to go back to the court seeking help. That's the kind of thing that you have to be the most concerned about. So after that initial temporary order hearing, things do tend to slow down a little bit, but there's still a whole lot of work going on. So you still have to be diligent in everything that you're doing. Be open, be honest with your lawyer. Let him or her know what is going on. Reiterate what your goals are. See if your goals are being met. If your goals aren't being met, what kind of strategy adjustments need to be made to be able to accomplish those? If you got those kind of questions, give us a call, send us an email, reach out, we'll shepherd you through the process.